It's Dr. G here, and this is your crash course in modern public relations, aka how to manage your brand's rep in a world where one tweet can go viral or spiral. Now, let's not assume you know everything about PR inside and out. At its core, PR shapes what people think and say about a brand. It's like reputation management with a megaphone, a mic, and a whole lot of strategy. Okay, picture this. PR back in the day meant mailing press kits, getting a list of reporters, and hoping a reporter picks up your story. Today, it's tweets, TikToks, DMs to journalists, and influencer collabs. Same goal, build credibility, totally different tools. Now, PR lives online. It's tweets, influencer shoutouts, and monitoring what's being said about you at 2 a.m. on Reddit. But through it all, credibility and relationships still matter a lot. They use social listening platforms like Brandwatch to eavesdrop ethically on what people are saying. Need to find out that perfect influencer prep for a PR emergency? There's a tool for that. When things hit the fan, and let's be honest, they do, PR is the first responder. Remember the Sheen sweatshop allegations or the Meta whistleblower scandal? Yikes. In the digital age, reputation moves fast. So your response better be fast, clear, and human. PR isn't just about getting coverage, it's about creating connection. Storytelling makes brands feel human. Now, think about Coca Cola's Share a Coke reboot. It's more than just personalized bottles, it's personalized feelings. You can scan a QR code and share it, make a fun video and share that. Suddenly, buying a Coke feels like creating a memory, not grocery shopping. That's storytelling turned into social fun. How do we know PR is working? It's not just about media mentions anymore. We are tracking sentiment, meaning how people feel about our brand, share of voice of all of our competitors. What is our slice of the pie? And engagement. How are our customers and prospects engaging with us? If people are talking about you and saying good things, that's a win. Marketers, take note. PR is not optional. It is your best friend. It builds trust, it boosts content, and helps your brand stay strong when things get messy. Bonus, it makes you look good in a way that's more legitimate online. All right, let's wrap it up. PR today is about blending strategy with authenticity, combining it with data, short form content, and good dose of AI. But always keep it ethical because trust isn't bought, it's earned. So thanks for coming along. PR is more than press releases, it's the soul of your digital brand. And hey, if you're ever in crisis, don't panic. Call your PR person, or at least remember what we talked about today. So if you need to get a hold of me, you know how. Drop me an email, send me a DM. I'm here to answer this or any other marketing questions you have. Take care, everyone.